Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk through how to create Microsoft Teams meeting link. Here are the steps to create Microsoft Teams meeting link on your Windows PC. First, open Microsoft Teams. Launch the Microsoft Teams desktop app on your Windows PC and make sure to sign in with your Microsoft account. Go to the Calendar tab and the left sidebar, click Calendar. Click New Meeting. At the top right, click the New Meeting button. Add a meeting title. In the Add title, type a clear and descriptive meeting name. Add participants. In the Add Required Attendees field, type names or emails. You can also leave this blank if you just want a shareable link. Set date and time. Use the date and time selectors to choose when the meeting will happen. Set meeting duration. Adjust the end time to set how long the meeting will last. Add a location. Leave this blank for an online only meeting. Add meeting details. In the descriptive box, write an agenda or important notes. Click Save. This will create the meeting in your Teams calendar. Find the meeting in the calendar. Locate your newly created meeting in the calendar view. Get the meeting link. Click the meeting by clicking Copy Meeting Link or Get Link to Meeting. Share the link. Paste the link in an email, chat, or document so others can join. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.